Hi friends, this video shows how to install app in this Google TV. First go to apps, then select search for apps and games. Select it. Then here we need to type the name of the app which we want to install. So let me type VLC. I am going to install VLC media player. Then select the search button. So now it's searching. Okay, see VLC for Android. Then select install. So now it's downloading VLC for Android. Now it's installing. So this way we can search for an app and install it. Just go to the app section, then select the search option, then type the name of the app, then search and install. This way we can install any app in this Google TV. Okay, installation completed. So let me open it. See, so this way we can install it. It's very easy. Let me go back. So app which we installed, the icon of that app we can see here. See, okay,